Number 1, Miss Vanessa Maia'i in her traditional wear for you this evening. Miss Vanessa Maia'i's traditional wear is inspired by the daughter of a high chief in a village is known as a Taupou, where they perform public ceremonial roles and mix the ava. The headpiece is called tuinga. Tuinga is made of shells, shaped mirrors, multicolored, feathers, synthetic hair, and in some cases, plaited coconut fiber. The rest of her Taupou dress is made of siapu, fulumoa, and iasina, and it's inspired by power or mana, honor, and respect passed down from generation to generation. Vanessa Maia'i's traditional wear was designed by Elapisa, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1 will now move on to her Siva, Samoa.